Good Labor Day morning, Molly. Still a point of contention in Washington today, now just 24 hours out from Kavanaugh's hearing. The roughly 100,000 pages of records the Trump administration announced it's decided to withhold.
The first time in history, this denial of access to documents violates a rule that we thought was the tradition of the Senate. They are suppressing these documents. If we're lucky, we will see 6% of all of the documents that have been produced or could be produced to reflect on Kavanaugh's true position on issues.
Senate Judiciary Committee Republicans point out more than 2.5 times as many records have already been produced for Kavanaugh than for any other nominee in history. It's nearly 500,000 pages so far.
The Democrats have more than enough information to understand that this is a highly qualified jurist that should be the next Supreme Court justice. In an earlier time, 30 years ago, he would have passed unanimously.
But Democrats insist it isn't the numbers that matter. They say the American people have a right to transparency and to Kavanaugh's complete record, no matter how voluminous it may be. Judge Kavanaugh spent much of the past week in prep sessions for his hearings, known here in Washington as murder boards, where close aides and advisors grilled him on the toughest topics that are likely to surface. They're fully anticipating a grueling hearing for Kavanaugh, especially with lawmakers in attendance who are eyeing presidential bids in 2020. They're likely to use their questioning as a vehicle to highlight their own stance on President Trump's policies. Molly?
Gillian Turner, thanks. A peek ahead at what we'll see.